You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Global financial markets are showing mixed trends as investors await progress in ongoing trade negotiations. The 90-day suspension of U.S. tariffs expires in early July, and without an agreement, mutual tariffs may resume. Talks with key partners, including Japan, have so far yielded no significant results. Against this backdrop, Moody's downgraded the U.S. credit rating, leading to a rise in long-term Treasury yields and weakening of the dollar. Still, markets have found some stability thanks to a temporary trade truce between the U.S. and China, as well as interest rate cuts in China and Australia aimed at boosting economic growth. The U.S. dollar continues to face downward pressure due to trade tensions, a growing budget deficit, and waning investor confidence in America's economic leadership. The Trump administration's tariffs and the Moody's downgrade have contributed to capital outflows from U.S. assets. The dollar index has fallen 10.6% since January, one of the sharpest drops in recent years. Analysts warn of a possible further decline, especially given the large dollar reserves held by Asian economies, which could be reallocated. Officials from the Federal Reserve, including New York Fed President John Williams, note that despite market volatility and the credit rating downgrade, there's been no significant flight from U.S. assets. Williams emphasized that key markets, like Treasuries, remain stable, and current Fed policy is appropriate for the economic environment. However, he acknowledged heightened volatility and uncertainty tied to trade tariffs and other political factors, which complicate economic forecasting. Turning to crypto news, the U.S. Senate has voted to advance the Genius Act, aimed at regulating the $250 billion stablecoin market. The bill requires stablecoins to be fully backed, undergo regular security audits, and receive approval from federal or state regulators. Only licensed entities would be allowed to issue stablecoins, while algorithmic ones face restrictions. Although the bill has gained support from some Democrats, it has also faced criticism, particularly due to President Donald Trump and his family's involvement in various crypto ventures. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.